Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to scroll my LinkedIn profile for 5 minutes and let's see how many jobs we can able to pull. Let's jump into the video. Friends, as soon as you open your LinkedIn, just visit my profile, which is Prakash K. Here is the link of my profile. I would be sharing in the description. So coming back to my feed, so this person is hiring for senior vulnerability management analyst in Hyderabad. So if you are interested, you can share your resume with vijayakrishna@medmox.com. I will be sharing this, so it will appear on my profile. And People Tech is hiring for UX designer. If you are interested, share your resume with this email address. So basically friends, just pause the video, read the description. If you are a good fit, you can share your resume with the mentioned email addresses. Optum is hiring for data analyst. ITV Network is hiring for Telugu content writer, and Disney and Google also hiring. So take a look. So our page has crossed 500 followers. Happy to see this. And Epic is hiring for senior performance test engineer. If you are interested, you can click on this view job and apply for the role. I have reposted it, so it is good. So Byju's is set to fire 12,000 staff in 2023. So Byju's employees, so take a look. And Orchid Hotel Pune is looking for candidates to join urgently in the below mentioned positions. All these are non-technical jobs. Restaurant managers, F&B executives, F&B team leaders and F&B associates. If you are interested, you can share your resume with hrmanager.pune@orchidhotel.com. Let's talk about the next job. Moodles Technologies is hiring for React.js developer. The job is based out of Gurugram. If you are interested, you can share your resume with janvi.monga@moodles.io. So I will be sharing this as well. And this person is looking for tax associate job. So basically EY and Deloitte are hiring for multiple roles. So in my previous videos I have shared EY is hiring for tax associate roles. Basically let us share if that person can take a look. And REDIAN Software is looking to hire for senior software engineer, PHP, Laravel, Java, Python and project coordinator. If you are interested, share your resume with this email address. I am sharing this job post. Keeping that aside, Bit Solutions is hiring for multiple roles like .NET developer, .NET. I have just sharing this image. And that's it friends, that's my 5 minutes. In my upcoming video I will be sharing more relevant information. Till then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.